one. I've been excited to show you this. So on eBay, you know how it is on eBay. It's hit or miss what you can find and what's real and what's not. But this seller, I found out, is pretty reputable. Had conversations with him. So originally I was excited about this one. So I bought an 1864, I'm sorry, because I don't have one. And I saw at the end, but I come to find out after the fact that it's actually an L, which is more rare. They made 5 million. Around the ribbon area, you would find an L, but this one's highly worn. But the other indicator is the pointed bust. So this one has one. Therefore, it is the rare 1864L. That is a good indication that these are unsearched. And yeah, I'm excited to show you. Alright, so we got this roll laid out. Steel sand at the back. Looks like we have another one here. And the one I'm excited about, I'll put it on a microscope later. The 1864L. I'll let the better zoom. Yeah, you can tell by the bust that it is very pointed. Now, the regular 1864s are be more oblong. That's another good indicator, just in case your L, like mine now, is rubbed off. So, pretty cool. Great find. Yeah. So, let's see what else we got. Oh, this one's interesting. Wonder why it's clipped on 4 sides. But anyway, it's a 1935. 46. 45. 40D. 45. 56D, it's pretty nice toning. Oh, this one's a nice one. An older 48 with, so it has some of the original luster on it. It's a good keeper. This one's pretty worn out. What's this one? Oh, it's an earlier date. Looks like a 1917. Now, after I'm done with these, I'm just going to put it on the microscope and see what I can find. It's 43, of course. Another 45. A 25. Okay, we'll get it earlier. 44D. I'll be looking for the RPMs and over mint marks on these ones. So we'll find out later. It looks to be a 53D for Denver. 46D. We have another shiny one. A 49 in decent shape. That'd be good to add to my collection. So put that there. Oh, another Indian head. 1904. Very nice. 41. A 48. 3060. 48D. 45D. 44. 45. 49. 46. What is that? That looks like a Denver. Yep. 52 Denver. 45 Denver. 52 Denver. 42 Denver. Yeah, looks like 42. 44. We're almost done here. 37. 46. Yeah, 46. 30. Okay. Whittling down here. 54D. 49D. 40D. 34. Okay, maybe there. 40D. 45D. 55. You know, wouldn't it be nice to have that famous double die, wouldn't it? But, you know, look at a closer under a microscope. This one, 50, another 55D. A 19, oh, early 1920. Very cool. Like 41. We're almost done. 45. A 56. 44D. Looks like it still has a little bit of luster on it. Yeah, that's nice. A 37. Okay. 39. And lastly, the 43. Alright, so not too bad. Off camera, I'm going to go through these on the microscope. If I find anything cool, I'll show you guys. If not, well, we'll see you on the next hunt. Also, if you guys are interested, in the description I will have the link to the seller where I got these unsearched rolls. You know, I had a good luck on this one with that 64. Well, 1864 I should say. So, you know, you guys can try them out, try your luck. So I already bought a couple more rolls from them. They're on their way, so pretty soon you'll be seeing another video. Until then, I'll see you guys.